Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Bernadette Cabugwas Montibon. I am 38 years old. I am married. I'm living Coronadal City, South Cotabato. I have 2 kids, the girl 11 years old and the one boy 8 years old. We have 10 siblings, 6 boys and 4 girls. I am the 9th youngest child of family. I am vocational graduate, hotel, restaurant technology. I have experience working Saudi Arabia as domestic helper for 3 years and 2 months to the married couple. My duties and responsibilities is cooking, iron, washing the clothes, cleaning the house, and also the newborn baby and 3 years old. The main job taking care of the babies. Please select me, ma'am, sir. I am kind, helpful, honest, responsible person, and loving mother. I promise to finish my contract as long as you need me. Thank you and God bless.